Hey everyone, it's Dan, and today I'm going to walk you through one of the most anticipated updates to our AI content assistant, Genie. This new update lets you add your own content like company policies, manuals, reports, or internal guidelines so you can generate training courses uniquely tailored to your team's needs. Let me show you how it works. First, let's head over to the Creator dashboard, select your courses, and click on Create a Course. Remember, you can create different types of courses using the GoSkills Course Builder. For this example, we'll select the multi-lesson course option and let Genie help us build it. Genie is great because it guides you step by step through the process with just a few simple prompts. I'm going to create a training course for McDonald's franchise managers and corporate employees. I'll start by specifying the industry, the audience, and the skill level for this course. Next, let's add a brief description of what this course is about. I'm also going to mention that I want it to be based on this McDonald's report I've got saved as an external PDF file. And I'll add any additional ideas I want included. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. Under Knowledge Files, you can upload PDFs, Word docs, and other files to help Genie generate content faster. So let's upload the McDonald's report PDF and see what happens. And here we go. Genie kicks things off by generating a course overview. You can already see it's pulling in relevant details from the report. Now, once we click Use Content, the overview is automatically added as a content block, and you can go back and edit that whenever you want. From here, we'll set up the course outline. This is where you define the number of lessons and their duration. By default, Genie recommends bite-sized lessons of 3 to 5 minutes, so let's stick with that. And there you go. We've got our course outline ready. To create the lesson content, click the 3 dots on any lesson and select Edit Lesson. Genie will take care of the rest. You don't even need to worry about the lesson objective. It's included automatically based on the outline we just created. And Genie can also create quizzes for you. Just choose how many questions you want, and when you click Generate Lesson, Genie will start building that lesson content. First, you'll see the details being pulled directly from the PDF we uploaded. And then, we've got some relevant quiz questions right at the bottom. Once the lesson content is ready, it's added as a text block. And from here, you can edit it further or add other content blocks to make the lesson even more dynamic. And those quiz questions are here too, down at the bottom, ready for any edits as well. Now, if you need to tweak something, Genie has you covered. For example, we pulled in a bunch of content here. Maybe we want to shorten the lesson. Well, ask Genie to do it for you. Or if you want to expand your quiz with more questions, Genie can handle that as well with just a couple of clicks. So that's it. Your company files give Genie everything it needs to create rich, tailored courses. So imagine the possibilities and transform those dry, dense documents into engaging learning experiences. Give this new feature a try and let us know what you think. If you're new to GoSkills, remember you can try Genie for free by creating an account using the link in the description. See you soon.